Hi there, it's Mark P. Summers here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow your users to upload images, PDFs, whatever it might be, into your web app designed with Famous AI, or if you want to add your own graphics, etc., to your sales page, landing page, that sort of thing. So, without further ado, let's get started. So here's a website that was designed with a Famous.ai, and it has a new page that I've just added, which allows me to add the projects I've been working on. And I want a screenshot of every project at the top of the page. The way to do this is to ask Famous to create a Supabase storage bucket, like a bucket that you put water in, except we're going to fill it up with files. Now, you don't need to worry about where this goes. All you need to worry about is asking Famous to create it for you. But just so you know where it's going to be created in Supabase under storage. And then in storage, you can see there are these new buckets. And I do have a bucket already created called Project Screenshots. And that is where the screenshots that are uploaded via the admin area are being stored. In fact, let's go and have a look here, and we can see if we go into that bucket, there's the screenshots, and there is that file. And so that file is then being pulled in from the storage bucket. Now, how did I get it into Supabase? Well, that's very simple. I asked Famous to create me an admin panel, and the admin panel allows me to fill out all the details of the project. Plus, it allows me to select a screenshot from my hard drive and upload it. So here is that screenshot. We're going to click on upload or open in this case, and it's going to be uploading that screenshot. And after a few seconds, it will appear right here. And so, guys, you can see the graphic has now arrived, and I have my developer tools open just while I'm testing things, and I can see that the image started to upload and then it was completed and it was saved in the project screenshots folder, which is, as we know, in Supabase storage buckets. We're now going to click on add project. And when we go to our showcase, we can now see that we have that twice because, well, I've added it twice now. And so that whole section is live based on our Supabase buckets and our Supabase database. And it was very easy to do. So we've covered here how you would do it from a user base in situation. In this case, I was an admin user and I had access because that's how I told it I wanted it to do. But let's say we wanted to upload a file that we wanted to use as our logo or something like that. Well, we can do that in two ways. We can literally just, in Famous, add our logo to yeah, let me find my logo here. This one will do. So we're just going to add it to the chat, and then we're going to say, please add this logo to the top header bar. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to take that logo and push it into a bucket, and it's probably going to create a bucket called assets or something like that. And we're literally going to give it that one command, take the logo and place it in the site. While we're waiting for that to happen, we're going to go and have a look at our buckets section in Supabase, and it will take a little while. But we should be able to see what it's doing as far as creating another bucket where it's going to put that file, and we can learn some more information about that. While we're waiting for that to happen, over here in projects, you can see those are those projects that I was creating, and it was placing in there the screenshot URL that that we need. And I need to learn to turn off my notifications when I'm recording. Let me quickly do that. Uh, there we go. All right. So that's that's the database. Sorry, I completely lost my train of thought. Let's go back to Famous, and we can see that it is finishing up on what we asked it to do. And it has added the file, the logo is positioned, and there we are. It doesn't look so good, so I'm going to have to go back and kind of say, hey, now the logo's there. Can you take out the wording? Because we don't need that anymore. And what it's actually done is uploaded this to CloudFront and not to a storage bucket. And so the two ways of doing this, you could be in control of your storage by having your files uploaded here. The nice thing about this is you could actually go into here in Supabase and upload your files yourself here. So you can literally just drag them and drop them into a bucket, and it will. Or you can click on upload files here, or I believe you can drag and drop them into a bucket. Let's just test that just for fun. We'll just take that file, and yeah, we can just drag it straight into that folder there. And so what you could do is have a whole load of assets that you want to use for your website, put them into your bucket, be in control of those assets. And then what you can do is click on these three little dots next to the file name, click on Get URL, and then go back to Famous and say, please use this image URL, boom, for the profile page or whatever page you want it to be put on, and it will then use that image and put it straight into your website. So you have full control of where these images are being placed on the website. You have full control of uploading them, deleting them, etc. And that's all within Supabase storage buckets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment and ask any questions. I'm here to help. Have a great day.